We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the VOLTRX Gallium USB-C rechargeable electric protein shake mixer. This product is a modern take on the traditional shaker bottle, designed to eliminate the common issues of clumping, noise, and cleaning hassles that plague older models. The VOLTRX Gallium uses patented technology that replaces the old steel wire ball with a powerful motorized blade system, delivering smooth shakes in just 15 seconds. This is achieved through a 6,000 revolutions per minute motor combined with a unique blade and transmission design, ensuring protein powders dissolve quickly and evenly. The bottle itself is made from BPA-free Triton material, known for its durability and safety. It has a capacity of 24 ounces, which is ideal for mixing up to 16 ounces of liquid and 3 scoops of powder, making it suitable even for serious bodybuilders. The design includes a reliable screw on top that is both airtight and watertight, so users can confidently carry it in gym bags without worrying about leaks. The base, which houses the motor and blade, is rechargeable via USB-C and protected by a waterproof silicone plug, enhancing its durability and convenience. Users have praised the bottle for its solid build quality, which surpasses many other shaker bottles on the market. The ease of use is a standout feature. Operating the mixer requires just a single button press, and the mixing cycle can be stopped early by pressing the button again. Cleaning is straightforward, requiring only warm water and dish soap inside the bottle, running the mixer briefly, then rinsing. This simplicity is appreciated, especially by those with limited hand mobility or arthritis, as it reduces the physical effort involved in preparing shakes. Performance-wise, the mixer excels at blending standard protein shakes and meal replacement drinks into a smooth consistency. It can even handle ingredients like squashed bananas, which traditional shaker bottles struggle with. However, some users have noted that when mixing thicker or more viscous substances such as yogurt, peanut butter powder, or MCT oil powder, the motor may bog down or fail to mix properly. This limitation is understandable given the device is not a full blender, but rather a high-speed shaker. The noise level during operation is noticeable, but not excessively loud. It is enough to be heard in the same room but should not disturb others in adjacent rooms. Some users have experienced more noise when adding powder before liquid, possibly due to the mixture getting under the stirrer. Despite this, the noise is generally considered acceptable for the convenience provided. Customer service from VOLTRX has received high marks. One user shared a story where their initial purchase was unsatisfactory, but after contacting the company, they were offered a full refund and a more powerful replacement shaker bottle. This premium version reportedly handles thicker mixtures with ease and does not bog down. The responsiveness and willingness to resolve issues have left a very positive impression on customers. The aesthetic design of the bottle is modern and pleasing, available in a vibrant blue color. Its portability and leak-proof nature make it suitable for use at home, the gym, or on the go. The absence of sharp blades also makes it safer for use around children, which some users have found beneficial. One charming aspect noted by a reviewer was the quirky translation on the warranty registration card inside the box, which added a light-hearted touch to the unboxing experience. This small detail reflects the brand's personality and adds to the overall positive user experience. In summary, the VOLTRX Gallium electric shaker bottle is a high-quality, durable, and efficient product that significantly improves the protein shake preparation process. It is especially recommended for those who consume shakes frequently and want to reduce the physical strain of manual shaking. While it may not replace a full blender for very thick or complex mixtures, it performs exceptionally well for its intended purpose. Its ease of use, quick mixing time, strong build, and excellent customer support make it a worthwhile investment for fitness enthusiasts and anyone seeking a convenient way to prepare protein or meal replacement shakes. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description and using it supports our channel. This shaker bottle is a smart choice for those looking to save time and effort while enjoying smooth, clump-free shakes.